everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel and welcome to Weight Loss Wednesday. Today 310 Nutrition is making available for all my subscribers a free MCT oil keto kit, and if you want to get one for free, just keep watching. I decided to use my MCT oil to make a salad dressing, so I'm going to show you how I did that. First, I'm going to add half a cup of the MCT oil. You can make more if you would like. I just wanted to make a little bit to try out the oil, since this is the first time I'm ever trying it. Next, I'm adding balsamic vinegar. I'm adding about half a cup, and if you want, you could try different vinegars like apple cider vinegar. Now I'm adding Italian seasoning. I add a few shakes. I didn't measure this, I just put some in there. And last, I'm adding some garlic powder. I would prefer minced garlic, but I was out of fresh garlic, so I just used the powder. Now just mix it up, just shake it up in the jar and get it all mixed up. I did like this oil. It has no flavor to it, so you definitely taste a lot of the vinegar. You might want to add some other ingredients. Now this is the kit that you get for free. MCT oil is a clean source of fuel to support your metabolism, help boost your energy, and enhance your brain's performance, which I need that. Free of fillers, additives, and flavorings, with a neutral smell and taste. To get your free MCT oil kit, use my link in the description and use the code 100OFF-PATRICIA. All the details are in my description down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.